I've been using these granite pots and pans here with the wood handles for a couple weeks now, so I'm going to let you know my experience and give you a closer look at them. To start off with, you get 3 pans and 2 pots, and those come with 3 lids that cover all of them. All of the pots and pans have a granite body along with a wood handle here. Nice beautiful grain on it, very smooth, feels really strong even when there's a ton of food in any of the pots or pans. And it's got this hole right here for hanging it up or for putting your spatulas down into it. And here's a closer look at that granite. Nice and durable, resistant to scratches, really non-stick and super easy to clean. I can attest to that. And it's designed to give a nice even heating with this base right here. So this saucepan here is 6.3 inches and it's a 1.5 quart saucepan. We have another one here that's 9.5 inches, and this is a 3.3 quart saucepan. We also get 2 of the frying pans. This one is 9.5 inches. The other frying pan here is 11 inches. And the saute pan here, which is much deeper, as you can see when it's compared to that frying pan, is also 11 inches. And you have a lid for the 9-inch pan, as well as one for both of the 11-inch pans. Those lids have these nice see-through glass tops with a small vent right there, and these nice wooden handles with a beautiful grain and a nice soft feel to them. We also get this 9.5-inch steam pan here, food grade quality, and I found that that fits on both the smaller of the frying pans, as well as the larger of the saucepans. And the smaller saucepan is great for rice. It also comes with its own top here. And lastly, we get these 2 utensils that have these wooden handles with the eyelets. One's a ladle, the other is a spatula with a nice lip right here, and they're both made of silicone. Overall, it's a great set of pots and pans, really recommended for you. Overall, it's been a great set of pots and pans for me, really easy to clean, super non-stick while cooking on them, and just very stylish looking, and most importantly, they feel really strong even when I pick them up with a ton of food in them, so I feel like they're gonna last a really long time. Couldn't ask for anything more in a set of pots and pans.